Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AI Pharma Tech. If you are pharma student or if you are belongs to healthcare or someone interested in the future of pharmacy and technology, then this channel is made for you. अगर आप फार्मा प्रोफेशन में हैं और फार्मा प्रोफेशन में इंटर करना चाह रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल ये चैनल आपके लिए है. द पर्पस ऑफ चैनल इज in today's era, pharmaceutical science is no longer limited to textbook and syllabus because industry is moving towards AI automation, bioinformatics, digital documentation, and technology. Okay, so moving to the slide, pharma and tech. So on this channel, I will provide you all the information related to your pharmacy and I'll provide you information today's pharma students what actually need, such as skills beyond the pharmacy syllabus के skills और AI tools used in drug discovery and career guidance. And yes, I will also provide the information related to your admissions in UG and PG and government exams, entrance, and yeah, most thing emerging technology वर्ड एक्सेल एंड पावर पॉइंट. अगर आपको बेसिक से एक्सेल वर्ड और पावर पॉइंट सीखना है तो बिल्कुल यह चैनल आपके लिए है. एंड यस, आई एम ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट रिसर्च एंड साइंटिफिक स्किल्स, हाउ टू रीड रिसर्च पेपर, scientific writing, how to write research paper, poster formatting, basic statistics. So as my experience, my goal is to help you become a future ready with technology and confident in your career. Whether you're preparing for jobs, exams, internships, or upgrading your skills, you'll find everything here. Okay, so at last, if you have any question or topic you want me to cover, just comment below and I'll provide complete information related to your query. And yes, at last, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe of this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.